Hey guys, it's American Survival 101, and I thought for my first video of the new channel, we go ahead and do an EDC pocket dump real quick. So as the first thing first, my nice little phone. My bandana, nice little camo thing, works well. Some jerky chew, high in protein, tasty. My wallet, little shotgun shell on there. Nice and easy. Got my wallet ninja in there. It's pretty much the only survival thing I got in my wallet. My paracord bracelet. My EDC keys. Got my little paracord grenade. My flint and steel SOG key knife. Little useful tool on there. And as for this little ring here, it's actually like an aircraft cable tie. My light, the Surefire Creed. Got it pretty cheap. Got 3 settings on it. Nice and mini. Headphones. For my knife today, I just got like the little Dakota. Nice and sharp. My watch. And my survival wallet. I don't like carrying the tin. I prefer to carry one of these. Paper. Water purification tabs. Tons of band-aids. The Bear Grylls survival kit thing. Some sewing line. Razor blade. Fire starter. 2 fishing hooks. Some medication. Strike anywhere matches. And some fishing line. Remember to subscribe, survive, and check us out on Twitter at Survival101.